Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody left me a pretty good question, but it just doesn't work like that. When you have something to fill in and use your Smart Fill tool, you can't do the whole word because those little crosshairs have to be inside something that can fill up, and that's what makes the Smart Fill tool so special. So you can't just do all the letters at one time. Now, this is a text. I'm going to make a duplicate of that text, and I'm going to turn that text into a curve. So now they're two different things, but this is still all grouped together. To make it all black, just left click black, left click blue. Same thing if it's a curve, left click red, left click gold. Take away the outline by right clicking and you have that. So the Smart Fill tool doesn't work like that. It has to have something to fill. It cannot fill across the board. But, well, let's take this even further. Let's take this text and left click, right click, and let's go to object and let's break it apart. So now these are individual letters. So you could make this one black or blue. You could make this one red. Or if you still, it's not a group of text, but you could select them all and make them all blue at the same time. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.